Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change Bluehost password. So we are going to change our Bluehost password using two methods. In the first method we are going to log into our Bluehost account and then we will change our password. And in the second method we are going to change our Bluehost password without login to our account. So in case you cannot find your password, then you can forget your password using the second method. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to visit bluehost.com and from the top click on login. Here you need to enter your Bluehost username and password and then click on login. So in this way you will be redirected to your Bluehost account, and then from the top click on your account and then click on security, and here you will see a tab main password, and below this you will see a button change password. Just click on it, and here you need to enter your new password and then click on save button. So in this way your Bluehost password will be changed, and then you can use your new password to log into your Bluehost. So now we are going to see how we can change our password without login to our account. So in case you cannot have access to your Bluehost account, then you can use this method to change your password. Go to bluehost.com and from the top click on login. Here you will see a forget password button just below your login form. So click on it. So here you need to enter your username or domain name and then click on send password. So in this way an email will be sent on your address with the instructions that you can use to reset your password. So now we are going to check our email which is attached to our Bluehost account. And as you can see that we have received an email from Bluehost. So I will click on it, and here we will see an email with the reset password button. So I will click on reset password, and here I am going to enter my new password. After adding our password, we will have to click on this checkbox, and then we are going to click on this next button. And as you can see that we have successfully changed our Bluehost password. So now we can click on go to login, and in this way we will be redirected to our Bluehost account. So this is how you can change your Bluehost password. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.